In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to design floating cards using Divi's blog module. Let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to create a brand new page. So I'm going to come over here to pages and then click on add new. Give the page a name and then click on use Divi builder. For this example, I'm going to choose from premade layout. And the layout I'm going to need is the blogger layout. And by the way, these layouts are absolutely free. So here is my landing page. I'm going to click on it and then click on use this layout. So the next step is to create a brand new section. So I'm going to come all the way down to the bottom here and create a new section. So I'm just going to hover over here and click on this plus button. And this section is going to be a regular one. So I'm going to click here. And we're also going to have a single column. The next step now is to copy our blog contents and paste them over here. So I'm going to scroll back to the top and this is what we need. So I'm just going to right click, copy module, scroll all the way down back to our row over here, right click, and then click on paste. We're also going to need a title for this. So let's go ahead back to the top and we need this title. So again, we're going to right click, copy, come all the way down here, right click, paste module. I just need to drag it to the top, just above my blog posts. Next, we're going to come over here and just change our title here to most popular. So I'm just going to highlight and just type in most popular. Click on save. The next step now is to go into our row settings. So I'm going to click on this gear icon, click on design, and then we're going to come over here to sizing. So for our width here, we want to make sure that this is set to 80%. And for the maximum width, we're going to change this to 550 pixels. Next, we're going to head over to our spacing. And here is where we need to set our padding to 0, both to the top and the bottom. Now it's time to go to advanced and set our position. So I'm going to scroll down here, select position. Here we're going to need this fixed. So we're going to select fixed and we want it right there at the corner. And we also need to adjust our Z index. So we're going to set this to 12 so that it's above our content. So we're going to save here. And the next step now is to go into our blog module and make some updates. So I'm going to come over here to my layers and then all the way down here to our section that we've just created. We're now going to expand this. And in our column here, we're going to have two modules, the text and the blog. This is the one that we need. So let's select our blog. And now we're going to come over here to our elements. And we just want to simplify this by just making sure that we disable all of this. Now let's go to the design tab and this time we want to add a drop shadow. So we're going to come all the way down here and choose our drop shadow. The style we're going to go with is this one here. So I'm going to select it and now let's add our values. So what we're going to do right away is we're going to change our blur strength to 28. So I'm going to set it over here. So now when we scroll, we can see that it is fixed right there in the bottom. So far I'm just going to close out of here and save. Next, I'm going to go into my row settings. So what we need to do here is we want to make them pop over on hover. So I'm going to come over here to design and come all the way here to transform. I'm going to click on transform translate. So first of all, I need to break this chain and set this to 50%. And then I'm going to go on the hover tab by clicking on this little arrow here. And I'm going to set my hover here to 0 like that. Now you may also want to hide this row on mobile. So to do that, you want to come over here on advanced visibility and make sure that disable on phone and tablet is selected. So now let's save this and test our design. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. By doing so, you'll be notified every time we release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.